Our topic for today is do-it-yourself travel magnet board. So ano pang iniintay nyo? Bring out those magnets, and materials. Very affordable and accessible. You can actually go through your app, Amazon, and then order 2 white magnetic boards. And also a black sticker pad. Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo later. And those of you who are currently in the Philippines, nakabakasyon, at may time, pwede kayong umorder via Lazada. At kung bukas ang Daiso in Robinsons, pwede siyang mabili ng 88 pesos. Alright, so what are we waiting for? Tara, sundan niyo ako!
Lights, camera, action.
So, ito yung mga requirements. Requirements materials. Nasanay tayo sa first vlog. Second vlog na tayo. Okay. First is white magnetic board. You can actually order it in Amazon or Lazada pag nasa Philippines kayo. Yan. And then, blackboard sticker. Yan. Blackboard sticker. And of course, your magnet. Yan. Okay? So, papakita ko, kailangan yung i-organize yung magnet nyo para at least by continent siya. You know what to put it into the magnetic board. You won't be confused kung saan nyo ilalagay, di ba? Okay? So, may mga collections din ako ng snow globes. Yan, snow globes, yung mga maliliit na may tubig sa loob. And then planes, tsaka ship model. Diba?
A few moments later.
I first started my magnet collection way back in January 2012 when I first started my career with Star Cruises. And the rest is history. So ayan na yung mga nakolect ko. Just remember, always take care of your magnets. Huwag lang siyang mababasag. So with that, you have to make your travel magnet board. So let's start it, guys! Prepare all your materials in a spacious area. Make sure na walang creases yung paglagay nyo ng black stickers dahil ito ay nalulukot. Huwag magmadali at remember, kailangan napaka-neat para maganda naman yung travel magnet board nyo. Next, lapat nyo na yung mga magnet nyo based on your preference. Pwede rin itong based by continent or based sa timeline kung kailan nyo siya napuntahan. It's really up to you kung paano mo siya ayusin. Next is yung second travel magnet board. Kailangan ilapat na mabuti as what I've said, walang lukot o kaya walang crease. Pag ikaw ay nagkamali, okay lang naman yon. Nobody's perfect, di ba? Sayang din yung materials kung itatapon mo lang. Pwede mo pa magamit sa next mong travel magnet board kapag ikaw ay nakapag-travel ulit. So, ilapat na mabuti at pwede ring umulit. So, mahirap siya gawin pero kailangan sipag at syaga lang. You can actually place a travel magnet on top of the black sticker para hindi siya malukot. At unti-unting lapatin para hindi siya lukot-lukot. At ayan na. Pwede nyo na ilapat lahat ng magnet nyo based on your preference as what I've said. Kung gusto nyo by continent, it's fine. If based by timeline, kung kailan nyo siya napuntahan, okay lang din yon. As long as nag-e-enjoy ka at make sure hindi ito may lalaglag pag naitayo mo na. Minsan may magnet na lalaglag, kailangan mo lagyan ng double adhesive tape. Tada! So here's your travel magnet boards. Pwede nyo pa rin damihan, depende kung gaano kadami yung travel magnet nyo. So make sure na pwede nyo lagyan ng plastic cover para hindi siya malaglag pag isasabit nyo na sa wall or double adhesive tape sa mga magnet na sensitive. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, guys!
竜が我が敵を食らう